All right, YouTube. So we back with another video. What's going on with you guys? We are here with my 335. So today is the special day. It's going to be running. So I'm going to be very happy. As you can see, the turbos are in. We're going to be doing some finishing up. Well, not me, but my boy is going to be doing some finishing touches. You know, the last couple things that he has to do is, I think, installing the downpipes, buttoning up the bottom, and installing the intercooler. He has the water pump in and everything else in the car. As you can see, everything is in except for the downpipe. So he's gonna install the downpipes. He's gonna put oil and coolant in the car. And I bought an oil catch can like in the last video that I showed y'all, or the video before. That's gonna be installed, and that's it. But everything is in, man. I got my relocated inlets right here, the MMP. It's looking good. And this time around, when he installed the turbos, he had to manually reclock the turbos to where the wastegate wouldn't get like binded up and caught up. So I guess that was having an issue. It just wasn't clocked right. So right now we just waiting. I'm here with my boy E-Man. I'll probably put his Instagram and stuff up on there. But yeah, this is where we at. I'm waiting for him to pull up, and it should be running today. Car should be back running today. It's looking very promising. I've been dying to give y'all content. I've been sitting in the house not doing nothing but streaming and stuff, so I got big plans for this car. Like, I gotta put these fog lights back in. This is so tacky. I don't know why I got this like that. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna put them back in. I think I got them here, but yeah, I'm gonna wait till you get here, but we're gonna skip to there. So yeah, that's E-Man. This is 135 right here. It's a manual 6-speed MHD Stage 2 Plus. I think full bolt-ons outside of downpipes, but yeah, this is his car. He's not really doing too much with it, but yeah, we about to go grab something to eat and then come back to the car. All right, so the downpipes in. I gotta record my phone. E-Man accidentally forgot my camera in his car, so right now that's all we got left is the intercooler. He already put the downpipes and everything in. Now it's Shan. So yeah, just the intercooler, and then next we're gonna prime it and everything, so I'll probably skip to that. All right, we got it running. This white smoke that's coming out is from the oil that was already in the exhaust, so it's already in there. But, I'm just let it sit for a while. We prime the turbos, put coolant and oil in. Everything's together, so we're gonna have our fingers crossed and stay like this for the next couple of days. I'm just gonna drive it normal. I'm not about to do no type of pulls or nothing. I'm just want to really break these turbos in the right way and really take my time with it and just leave it alone. So yeah, it's running. Intercooler in. He just got to button up some stuff on the bottom. Other than that, that's about it, y'all. Should be good. I'm gonna let regular for it to be smoking like that. It's regular, but it sounds good. It's looking good. I'm the man on the hour right there, going crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna just let it run like that for a while. Just let it sit, and that's about it. So I'll probably hit y'all in the next video whenever I start, you know, making some more content about it. But I appreciate everybody who stopped by the video. Subscribe if you're new. Drop that like button. And we gonna be up out of here, man. Let's get it. Get back up and running, man. Let's go. All that smoke is from the oil that was in the exhaust. Other than that, just running. Just letting it sit, let it idle. Let the oil run through the system, let the coolant run through the system. She running. It's looking good.
You got the sauce, bitch.